Name of the projection is Folio Method, skier's thumb projection. Folio Method is a radiographic procedure to best demonstrate sprain or tearing of ulnar collateral ligament of thumb at the MCP joint, as a result of acute hyperextension of thumb. It is also known as the PA stress skier's thumb projection. Seat patient at end of table with both hand extended and pronated on IR, position both hands side by side to center of cassette, rotated laterally into more or less 45 degrees oblique position, resulting in true PA projection of both thumbs. Place support as needed under both wrist and proximal thumb regions to prevent motion. Ensure that hands are rotated enough to thumb parallel to IR, cassette, for true PA projection of both thumbs. Place round spacer, such as a roll of medical tape, between proximal thumb regions. Wrap rubber bands around distal thumbs as shown. Immediately before exposure, ask patient to pull thumbs apart firmly and hold. Hands and thumbs in position for PA first metacarpophalangeal joints, Folio Method. Note roll of tape between thumbs. Normal thumbs with acceptable metacarpophalangeal joints bilaterally, the roll of tape is visible between the metacarpals, as well as the rubber band holding the distal aspects of the thumbs. Radiographic criteria, skier's thumb view. Structure shown, entire thumbs from second metacarpals to distal phalanges. Demonstrates metacarpophalangeal angles and joint spaces at MCP joints. Positions, MCP and IP joints appear open, indicating that thumbs were parallel to IR and perpendicular to CR. No rotation of thumbs is evidenced by symmetric appearance of concavities of shafts of first metacarpals and phalanges. Distal phalanges should appear to be pulled together, indicating that tension was applied. Central ray, CR perpendicular to IR directed to midway between MCP joints.